Now you can change your Facebook's page time zone. Now this is really simple. So before I teach you guys how to do it, if you're new to our channel, just head down below, hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon so you don't miss out on our future videos. Now let us start. First, just open up any web browser, and after you open it, just search for Facebook Ads Manager. Now after you search for it, just open this link up. It says Meta Ad Manager account or Facebook Ad Manager account, and after you just go to the link, just log in. If you have not, you can use your Facebook's login credentials to log into it, and after you log into this, just tap on Go to Ad Manager. Now it might take some time to load up, but after it loads up, it should look like this. Now right here, what you're going to do is just go to this section right here, and after it expands, go to the settings option on the bottom, and after you go there, you will have this page right here that says payment settings. Just go to your payment settings, new tab should open up, and let it load. Now right here you can see I can add a payment method right here. Now if you have already added a payment method, you can edit it, but I have not added any. So when I add a payment method, what I'm going to do is I'm going to change my region. Now right here you can see business location and currency. I'm just going to edit on this, and while I add the payment method, I'm just going to change its location right here. I can change the time zone and even the currency, and when I finally add it, my time zone will have been changed. So that is pretty much it for the video, guys. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye, take care.